Farhan. So today I am here to talk about the Bangladesh, the first day of the new Bangla year. So today we have come and gathered here to celebrate this fabulous and glorious day. So first of all, I want to thank the arrangement that is engaged by the Rajshahi Battalion 1 BGB. So by that, we are all here. So thanks a lot for the organization and also thanks for giving me this the opportunity to Punjabi and for the women we will shine. And after that they all will go around and enjoy their festival. And also in the day people will have the best meal. And as you know, the one of the most delicious and fabulous meals for Bengali nation is fried rice with fried with fried and onions, also with chili. After that, they will roam around the festivals to celebrate the whole thing. As you know, the Indian school also has held a festival for the whole first year of the Bangladesh, that is Poila Boishakh. And we know that we have come here together a lot of things. They have put a lot of stalls here to celebrate this. We will eat a lot of fruits and etc. Also, the merchant of the lot of merchants will open the halkhana and will also offer sweets to the customers and a lot of other things. After the day, we will enjoy the first day of our New Year. We can also say that the only Bangla year. And this day, people will always aware and enjoy their days. So we also hope that we can do this too. And also again, thanks for giving us the opportunity to talk to you guys. Thanks a lot.